Okay, hey everybody, it is time to do our I Can Be a Bucket Filler assignment on Seesaw. So when you get on Seesaw and you click on I Can Be a Bucket Filler, you're going to read the directions first. The first thing says, click link and watch Have You Filled a Bucket Today. This is the link, so you're going to click here. It's going to take you to a new page, and you are going to watch the book being read. Once you've finished reading the book, you can go back to Seesaw and read number 2. Click Add Response. So then you're going to click here, and it says click each text box and type 4 different ways you can be a bucket filler at home. Okay, so we're going to do that. You are going to find your name. I'm going to use Sample Student. And at any time, if you need to go back and view the instructions, you just click here and it shows you the instructions. Okay, so I am a bucket filler when I help my mom clean the house. And do you see how that text box is a little bit bigger? So what I can do is I can now click on my green text box, and if I have my 4 arrows here, I can move it down some so it's not overlapping. The next one I'm going to type is I am a bucket filler when I tell my family I love them. Okay? So you are going to fill out 4. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I don't remember what the next directions are, so I'm going to go back to view instructions. And for number 4, it says click the microphone and complete this sentence. I am a bucket filler when I, and remember to include all your labels, then click done. So you're going to click the microphone that is here. I'm going to click start recording. I am a bucket filler when I help my mom clean the house. I am a bucket filler when I tell my family I love them. And then you would also read the rest of what you've written. And when you're finished, you can click done. Now, I also don't remember the next instruction, so I'm going to go back and look again. It says use the pencil tool and the shape tool to decorate your bucket, but don't cover your words. So I can now go to my, I click the 3 arrows here to get to the shapes right here. Or I can click any of these here to draw on my bucket. So I'm going to make some arrows coming out showing that I have filled my bucket. And I am also going to add a star here coming out, because I feel like I have just really done a great job. So when I'm finished decorating, you can decorate the whole page as long as you don't fill the boxes. You click this that says done, and then you are finished.